everyone. Are you tired of Blackheat automation testers? Still stuck with tools like Selenium and looking for something faster, more reliable, and modern? Well, today we are about to meet two game changer Playwright by Microsoft. Whether you are a tool beginner in test automation or an experienced QA looking for better tools, you are in the right place. So now started the tutorial. First, introducing our Playwright. This is a modern testing framework. Playwright was developed by Microsoft is a powerful end-to-end automation testing framework designed for everything in automating. And this browser is full and full support for in Firefox, Safari, and using an unified API. The framework aims to simplify the testing process and enhance the efficiency for all developers. After that, what is Playwright? Playwright is modern framework by supported in Microsoft. Playwright is developed by Microsoft, providing is a modern and robust solution for automated testing. Another than this is performing cross-browser automation. With Playwright, you can automate multiple browsers, including Chrome, Firefox, and Safari, and etc. And this is lot of includes unique features. Playwright defines in better visibility and during testing process. So these are the most advantageous features in Playwright. On key features of Playwright. What is the main key features in Playwright is cross-browser testing, powerful automation, inbuilt auto-waiting function, screenshot and video capture. These are not available in the present Selenium WebDriver. After that, Playwright is effortless modern testing. Yeah, Playwright excels in supporting modern web application, making it more suitable for today's complex testing scenarios. So we are proud to use for in Playwright. Selenium is a traditional web challenge. After that, Playwright is a game changer in testing environment. Yes, Playwright stands out to be a modern end-to-end testing framework providing unparalleled support for automating multiple browsers through a single API. So it is the lot of use cases advantages in the Playwright. After that, you will might be thinking why Playwright, why not Selenium, Cypress or Puppet? Here, why Playwright is right now 2025 supports all browsers, Chrome, Firefox, etc. So these are the most common advantages of Playwright. So in the next video, we will going to install Node.js and set up your first Playwright project step-by-step process. Even if you are never written line of code before, I have got you covered. Okay, why you are using in now or automation testing? I would hear to your experience. So please comment your thoughts. Thank you. And for those, this month.